Hello everyone, today I make some Napa kimchi. It's very delicious. It's really good for a cold weather. Thank you so much for watching. First, I really wash the Napa cabbage and wash it very well, and then soak with the water and salt, and leave it 1 hour and 1 hour and a half, and keep mixing it. And also after that, we wash really good in the water and drain the water. And now we put the ginger, some garlic, and mix with the water and onion, and then blend it really good like a smoothie. And blend it really good like smoothie. And also you have to put the mixing bowl and add 1/4 cup of chili powder and also 3 tablespoons of sugar, and you have to mix it well. And then you have to mix the carrots and also radish or daikon, slanting, and also chives and onion leaves or escalon. And then also the rice flour, which I cook that turn transparent. And then you have to mix it well, and I add more chili powder and also 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you have shrimp paste, you can add shrimp paste also. And then you have to, after I drain the water and cut the Napa cabbage, and then I put the inside the dish, and then you have to mix it well. Make it really good, so the flavor is gonna, as you can see guys, it's really good. And add some more chili powder, and subscribe, likes, please share and leave comment, and don't forget the notification bell, so every time I upload a video I always update it. And also I add more scallion, and this is really good for the cold water. And I taste it, and then add like sesame oil and also sesame seeds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, likes, and share, and please leave comment. Now we need to put the inside the container, and then put that outside like at least 45 minutes or 1 hour, and before you put the refrigerator. Thanks again. Thank you. Bye.